Do you have a backup system for your navigation? Probably not. I will show you what I used during Silver Rudder and some other races because with a small boat always something can fail, especially the electric system or the navigation. So first of all, I have a BHG 9-inch on an arm that can rotate out. Then I have a Garmin 276, has built-in battery. The Garmin could also be connected to a power bank. So I have put just a simple power bank here. There. Is it connected? There you go. So you can see it's getting battery power from my power bank. It also connected to the boat 12-volt system, so you can get power from there through the connector. Then my main navigation is the Vulcan 9-inch, and that is connected through a cable to the boat electric system. But if that fails, and also you can get low on power if you use a lot of things, then I have a backup system with an external small battery, marine battery. So I have put an extra battery here with a quick fuse, and I have put in some XT90 to connect various cables. So here we have a similar cable to the BHG, so you can actually switch those out. So I can remove this one, and there you go. So now the navigation is connected to my external battery here with a quick fuse, and this one is like, I think, only 40 hours, but it will run maybe 30 hours, 40 to 30 hours with this navigation. So for me, it's a good security if the boat electric system fails or if you run out of battery. I have solar power on the roof here, but if it's cloudy and night, it doesn't give anything or almost anything. Then I also have Autopilot. I'll show you that. So I have a remote to that one. So you can see I can control it from wherever with this small remote control. And the Autopilot also uses the boat electric system, but if you're running out of power, I have a small lithium battery, same connection, and I have built a small box where you can connect Autopilot directly, more or less, to the battery with a fuse, quick fuse to release, and I can put this battery next to the Autopilot if I want, or just drag the cable a bit longer in. Also, worst case, I could connect, it's the same XT90 connection, so I could switch it and use that for the navigation and the big one for the Autopilot, or the opposite, whatever I feel like. And for the Garmin, it's super easy to change to another power bank if I want to, just USB, regular USB. And the Garmin also have an internal battery for up to, I would say, 8 hours. And if something fails, usually this one stays on then, because it has an internal battery. Yeah, you don't need to be worried about the navigation if you're going fast, and you need to see where you are and so on. And in the Swedish West Coast is lots of rocks, small passages, so for me it's important to have navigation up and running all the time, especially if you're not running in the big main roads. That was just a quick briefing what I use for a system in my boat to avoid some navigation failure and going out of power. I saw some other boats in the race that lost their power, lost their navigation, and they have to abort, and that this maybe can help out in that way. See you next time. Bye for now.